So hi everyone, welcome to the module 1 of this course. So in this module, we are going to discuss about the leaflet and how you can install the leaflet and how you can load the library into your program. So we will start from the scratch. So before we proceed, I want to show you the final product that you are going to get. So let's run the final code. So this is the final code that I have written for you. So if you run this code, I'm going to run this code, Control Shift. So once you run this code, you will get this fantastic map that you are seeing over here. So if you click on the zoom button here, so this is how it will look in the full screen. So this is a map of the India, and India has a multiple state. So this is one of the state. This is called Uttar Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh, these are the polygon that you see is are the districts of the state. So this is how the map will look like. So you can change the boundary color, you can change the background color, you can even change the color of the dots. Likewise, if you hover on any of the dots, like if I want to hover over this, so this dot is showing the detail of all the hospital, general medicine, emergency rooms, cardiology, general surgery, and total hospital are in particular district. So this is a district of Amethi, and in the Amethi you can see a total number of hospital 19. Uh, General surgery is 5. So you can show the detail likewise. So this is kind of called is pop-up. On hover you can show any, if you hover on any of the circle, you will get all the data related to that particular district, and you can do the zoom in, zoom out, and even the full screen. This thing you can do it. So let me cancel this. So we will create this kind of geospatial map using Leaflet. So if you are very new to the RStudio and you don't know how to install the Leaflet library or any other library, so there's a simple function that you can do is install.package, and within the bracket you can write the name of the library. So this is how you can install. And so to run this code, you have to just select the code, and then you can click on the for our run function, or you can click on the control enter. So it will install the library for you. So here you can see in the console, this is installed. And if you want to load this library, then simply you have to just write the library, and within the library you have to write the name of the library. So you can also run this code. Yeah. So let's try to make some basic map. So to make some basic map, you just have to start with the leaflet function. And if I run this code, single code, then nothing will show here. So it's just showing a blank space. So to add multiple layer, to add multiple function over the leaflet, over this blank space, keep on adding the functions. So I'm adding the pipeline. So you can add the pipeline like Control Shift M, and then even write add tiles. So let's see what comes. To add tiles, wow, now we have the global map here. So let's if I want to add some marker somewhere in the map, let's see what comes up. Add marker. On the add marker, you can find all the functions, all the variable that you can use. You can add lat. So let's give the lat long here so that the marker get added at particular location. So I'm adding a lat long for the India, and in India there's a location called Delhi. That's the capital of the. So in the add marker, I'm adding the latitude and longitude of the location. So I'm going to add it like 28.61, comma, and longitude I'm going to add it. It's 77.20. And also you can set the name of that particular location. It's the Delhi. It's in India's capital. And now then let's run this the simple code. Wow. So this is one marker that I have added in the Delhi grid. It's coming out right. So if you want to add one more marker, then simply just have to copy this code, and you can paste it here, and you can remove this. Let me add one more district or state. 25, and the name of the location is Lucknow. So let's do that. Oh, fantastic. So now we have two locations here. So I think it's not Lucknow, it's a Jaipur. You see? It's a Jaipur. Yeah. So this is how you are going to, keep add the functions over the base map, and you will get the fantastic map. So similarly, if you want to add circle instead of marker, then you just have to, replace the add marker with the add circle marker. So let me show you how you can do that. So just copy the whole code and paste it here. And I'm replacing this add marker to add circle marker. So we can do it for the both the markers. So if I run this code, yeah, now you can see that we got the two circle marker here. So it's a circle marker. So similarly, if you want to add solid circle, then you have to just again copy this whole code and then paste it here and just change it to add circle. Add circle. And also if you want to add radius, like what radius you want, you can add 100 here, and similarly here. And if I run this code, let me see what comes out. Wow. So the two markers are visible here. So you can adjust the radius from here. And also if you want to add new color, if you want to change the color, let me make it red. And similarly, if you want to add red here also, and again I'm going to run this code, then it's red is coming out here. So in this way you can keep on adding the functions over the leaflet map, and you will get the fantastic maps coming out. So in this module we have learned the basics of RLeaflet, including how to install the package, creating a map, adding the marker. So in the next module, we will deep dive into the customizing our map with the different base maps, pop-ups and labels. So great work so far, and see you in the module 2. Thank you.